Hello everyone, I'm Rohit, and I, on behalf of Zero Window Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for different lessons from our chapters. And today the chapter that I'll be covering is from Class 4 NCERT board, subject is Mathematics, and the name of the lesson is known as A Trip to Bhopal. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as question bank. And the main innovation behind using this idea is to make the students understand the concepts by preparing questions with the help of the teammates, which will in turn lead to a better understanding of the concepts. And also preparing question banks and working with your peer learning, that is peer learning, leads to the value of cooperation among the students, and the duration for this activity will be 15 minutes. And some of the important concepts that we will be covering with the help of this innovation are estimating the length and distance, estimating the duration of familiar events, solving problems related to length and distance, expressing time in the form of AM and PM, and framing word problems. We need to make sure that we have already completed the building and explaining part of the chapter, and we will use this concept only as a means of revising the topics. In this process, we ask the students to go through a chapter once again thoroughly, and after that, the students will be framing questions out of the chapters. And since the questions will prepared by the students itself, so the questions need not be only based on concepts. The questions can also be directly from the chapters also, but we need to make sure that the students prepare at least 10 to 12 questions from the chapters. And up and before they prepare the questions, we can give them a set of sample questions so that they can get an idea of how the questions could be. And some of the sample questions are like this. Suppose question 1: if a bus takes 15 minutes to refill, how much time will two buses take? Second question could be, if the cost of 100 liters of petrol is 3500, how much will 1 liter of petrol cost? Or the third question could be, how convert 1 meter to kilometers, or how many meters are there in 1 kilometer? Fourth question, what is the largest number among the following numbers? They can give four numbers, and out of them, which is the largest number? Next question could be, what is the number exactly between 100 and 125? The next question could be, suppose there are 210 students and we give each student one banana, one orange, and five biscuits. And out of those students, 30 students do not take bananas. Then what will be the total amount of bananas, oranges, and biscuits distributed among the students? Next question could be, if the cost of a double-decker boat is 35 rupees and the cost of a motorboat is 25 rupees, and five students take motorboat tickets and four students take double-decker boat tickets, then what will be the total cost? Or suppose the next question could be, if the trip duration for a paddle boat is 30 minutes and one student takes two tickets, for how long the student will ride the boat? Or if the distance from the time taken to travel back from Hosangapur back to school is 2 hours, and we move out from Hosangapur at 4 p.m., then at what time will we reach Hosangapur? Or at what time did we left from our school? And so on. We can give them sample questions. We can frame questions and give them sample questions so that they can get an idea of how the questions will be. And also we need to make sure to instruct the students that they can also write the answers against the questions, and the answers can be either short answers, long answers, or explanatory answers, depending upon the requirement of the student. Once the students prepare the questions, we form different groups among the students, and we select one leader out of the group. The responsibility of the leader will be, the leader will collect all the questions from their group, compile them together in such a way that there are no repetitive questions, and they will submit it to the teacher. And when we started teaching the students in this way, when we make the students prepare questions out of the chapters, it leads to a self-learning environment among the students. And it leads to complete learning of the concepts that have been taught in the lesson. Along with this, they will also develop their critical thinking and the decision-making process, interpersonal skills, communication skills, and also they will learn the importance of respecting others, the value of respecting others' decisions. Because when the leader will be compiling the questions, the other students will be helping the leader in doing the work. Along with this, they will also learn how to respond to simple instructions that have been made in English. And I'm pretty much sure that when you implement this idea in your own school, you'll be getting a lot of other benefits apart from the ones which I've mentioned. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. Thank you.